Good morning students. I hope you will be good at home. Students, today I am going to teach you sound of O, vowel O. Okay, so please open your English notebook. First of all, students, put the date DATE, date. Put the date. What is date today? Today is 1. Which month is going on? 6 2021. Okay, 2021. Put the date. Now put the heading. Write down as O U N D, sound. O F of U. U says A. U says A. U says A. Put the number 1. Put the number 1. First of all, write S A N. S says S. U says A. N says N. Sun. Sun. Number 2. Put the number 2. N says N. U says A. T says T. Nut. 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 Number 3. Put the number 3. C says K. C says K. K A P. Cup. K A P. Cup. C says K. U says A. P says P. Cup. K A P. Cup. Number 4. T A B. Tub. T A B. Tub. T A B. Tub. T A B. Tub. Number 5. J A G. Jug. J says J. U says A. G says G. Jug. J A G. Jug. J A G. Jug. हाँ जी. Number 1 पे sun. Number 2 nut. Number 3 cup. Number 4 tub. Number 5 jug. So students, today we have learned sound of vowel U. So please write down on your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.